So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with some coins from Samoa, and they look pretty beautiful. I actually like the 20 centi. It's actually quite a nice coin with breadfruit on it. And this series down here is the plant series. I don't have the 1 and 2 centi, I need to actually get that. And up here we have the 1967 series. So these are 1 year series, and this design down here was issued from 1974 to the end of these denominations, which they were replaced in 2011. So for the one, you're looking at 1996 to 2000, and these denominations here are probably up into 2010, should I say. And they're a nice series. So you have the Samoan coat of arms. So as you can see here, let's get a close up. The Samoan coat of arms has the Southern Cross, and it has plant up the top. And then we have the cross, because they're pretty much a Christian country now. They're very religious. And in the side we have the denomination in Samoan, which is close related to Maori, and it's an Austronesian language. So it's also related to Malay and Bahasa Indonesia, and a lot of the languages are around the Pacific. And Seni, which is pretty much taken off cent. And on the reverse, we have Malay Toa Tuama Fili the second, and Samoa Isisifu. So in 2000 actually took away Isisifu, which actually is just means Western Samoa, and they just kept Samoa. So you'll see that difference as well. So these are all copper nickel coins. They actually did not replace them with copper plated or nickel plated steel or stainless steel or anything like that. They just kept them like this. And then we have the 1 centi, 1967. This is in high grade, just has the Southern Cross. And these are all pretty much in the same specifications as Australian coins and New Zealand coins before 2006. So the 1 centi only has 915,000, so it's, by Australian standards, pretty low mint. But because of the long-standing rule of supply and demand, these are actually not too expensive coins. For this set, you're probably looking at, if you want one of each coin, you're probably looking at about $20. If you want it in high grade, well, you're probably looking at probably $5 to $10 per coin. It's not as expensive as Australian coins, but they're not really that cheap either. Basically, I got this off a coin deal on eBay that I always buy from. He's actually nice. He's got quite nice sets of coins. So anyway, let's have a look on the new series, what actually is on this coin. So this one has the pineapple. It's 5 centi. Both of these are dated 1974. And there's only 1.7 million of these coins minted, but they're easy to actually get. Then we have the 10 centi. So if you, maybe I'll get a better coin. What date's that one? 2000. So I think after, what year? After 1974, after the 80s, or during the 80s, coin mintages, they're pretty, you don't know them. They actually did not issue them. So this one has the taro plant. So the taro is a legume like a potato underground. They actually dig up and process and eat it. They actually don't, I don't know if they eat the leaves, but I think they might be poisonous. but the tuba underground. So that's pretty much popular, not only in the Pacific, but also in Asia as well. Then we have, as I said here, the breadfruit. That's a nice 1993 coin. See, it's well circulated. If you go to Samoa, you actually won't get these coins because they don't circulate anymore. As I said before, they replaced them in 2011. But I would say as collector's coins, you can probably still get them because, well, not all of them would have been exchanged. So the breadfruit and George James Berry actually designed this coin. That's why it has the JB. And the person who designed this one is Thomas Humphrey Paget. So he actually designed the chief of the Samoans. And here is a higher grade coin. Oh, I just love this. Nice coin, 2006. Is that actually the last coin? So as you can see here, it has just a Samoa. Just a Samoa in there. This one is Samoa Isisifu. And that's because in the 1800s, the Americans and the Germans stole Samoa. Oh, and this is the last year of mintage of this denomination, 2006. But I don't have the mintages. Oh well. 2006, I'd say, when they actually changed over the coins, they would have had quite a few of them still in stock. So they're not that rare. And then we have the 50 centi. This coin was last minted in 210, probably because there was a shortage. And it actually has bananas. So as you can see, bananas it's like a palm type tree, and the bananas come out there. And as you can see, just cut off the branch and transport it. And you can also just cut the whole branch off like that, and it'll just resprout. So it resprouts from its roots, looks like it. This is quite a damaged coin, only worth a few dollars. 2002. And the other coin is an earlier coin, but it's in better condition. So it's quite a big coin. It's do I have a 50-cent coin with me? Yep. So here is an Australian 50-cent coin. As you can see, the design's different shape, but it's pretty much similar size. And the Samoan one was weigh 14.14 grams, so pretty similar in weight. And in 1984, they actually issued a $1 coin. They still actually kept this shape, but they just reduced the size. This coin is actually 30.6 millimeters, 9.5 grams. It's actually aluminium bronze. So bronze is copper and tin, so it's aluminium, copper and tin. Wouldn't surprise me if they put nickel in it. And there's only 1 million of these issued, and it has the Samoan coat of arms. And down below we have Fa'ave ili atua Samoa. And not too sure what that actually means. Okay, so I found that it just means Samoa is founded on God. So they are a religious country. And this one is Samoa Isisifu. And if we have a look at the 2005, there was a 2002 and also 2006. So this is the second last year. And the only difference between this one and the other coin was they just put Samoa on it. So, nice, beautiful coins from Samoa. I hope you enjoyed this presentation because they are nice. One of my favourite series actually, along with Papua New Guinea. Australia's pretty good. Anything with animals or plants on them, I quite like. So thank you very much for watching my video and have awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.